I'm starting out with 2 pounds of washed mini cucumbers, and I'm just going to finely slice these. You can use a mandolin, but I don't have one, so I'm just using my knife to slice them pretty thinly. And once everything is sliced, I put them in the bowl and I sprinkle them generously with salt. You're going to want to use enough salt to cover. And then I just massage the salt into the cucumbers thoroughly, and I set that aside for about 90 minutes. You really need to wait for it to brine. After waiting 90 minutes for it to brine, I rinse it very thoroughly under cold running water to get all the salt off. And this is what it looks like. Now we're ready to season it. This is so simple. I just use green onion, scallion, and I put about a cup of that in. And then I'm going to use some ginger, grate that in. And I'm also using garlic. Very simple seasonings. And I'm going to put some stevia, liquid stevia, about 5 or 6 drops, and some hot pepper powder, gochugaru, just to my liking. You're the one eating it, so season it to your taste. This is rice wine vinegar. Again, I just eyeball this, cover the cucumbers, and massage again to mix thoroughly. And that's it. It's pretty much done from here. I put this in jars, taste it of course first, and I actually gave this to my mother on her 76th birthday. I like to give food gifts, homemade gifts, made with love of course and wholesome ingredients, so that people can enjoy the fruits of my labor in this case, literally. And she tasted it and she loved it, so she was wowed. And I myself enjoyed the portion I made for me. I really hope you try this out. It's delicious, it's healthy, it's refreshing, and I've been eating it every single day. Thanks for watching.